Hello everyone. In this tutorial on PMN Online, we will learn how to create product ads from photos using free Grok AI. Creating eye-catching product ads from ordinary photos can often seem like a daunting task, especially if you're not familiar with advanced design software. This is where Grok AI steps in as a game changer. With this powerful tool, you can effortlessly transform basic product photos into professional quality ads that are ready to capture attention. Whether you're a small business owner or a budding creator, this tutorial will guide you through the process of enhancing your images quickly and easily. Let's dive right into the step-by-step process of how to use Grok AI to elevate your product photos. First things first, you need to open Grok and navigate to the Imagine tab, which you'll find on the left sidebar of the interface. This is the creative space where Grok works its magic by transforming or generating images based on the instructions you provide. If your browser window is on the narrower side, you might find that the sidebar is condensed. In that case, simply expand it to locate the Imagine option. Also, ensure that you are logged into your account because some features are accessible only when you're signed in. Once you're in the Imagine section, you're ready to prepare your image for transformation. Start by uploading the photo you want to work with. It's crucial to select the highest quality version of your image to achieve the best results. Look for a photo with sharp focus and good lighting while avoiding any motion blur. Common image formats like JPG and PNG are perfect for this task. Ideally, the product should be centered with some space around it, allowing Grok to efficiently detect clean cutouts. Don't fret if the original background looks cluttered, as we're going to replace it soon. If your product has a glossy finish or reflective surfaces, try to use a photo where fingerprints and dust are minimized because Grok AI will preserve these fine details, and you want your product to look pristine. After choosing your file, patiently wait for it to finish uploading before proceeding to the next step. Now, let's craft a precise prompt that guides Grok on how you want your image to appear. A useful starting point is to instruct Grok to replace the background with a clean white studio backdrop. Keep the product sharp, and add realistic soft shadows. This prompt effectively communicates three key instructions to Grok. Change the background to a neutral studio setting, maintain the product's detail, and create a natural-looking depth with shadows. Feel free to adjust the language to suit your brand style. For example, you might specify a warmer or cooler shade of white, or mention a subtle shadow beneath the product for a more grounded, catalog-style appearance. Remember, the clearer and more specific your intent, the cleaner and more precise the output will be. Once you've crafted your prompt, click on the Submit icon to let Grok generate the result. The AI will process your request and soon display the transformed image. Be patient, as intricate details like hair, straps, or transparent materials may take a little extra time to process. When the preview appears, scrutinize the outline for clean cutouts and assess the shadow softness. If something seems off, don't hesitate to refine your prompt slightly and submit it again. Even small tweaks in wording can lead to significant improvements. After you're satisfied with the transformed image, you've successfully turned a simple photo into a polished product ad using Grok's Imagine tools. And that's all there is to it. We hope this video made it easier for you to learn how to create product ads from photos using free Grok AI. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips like this.